Hey, Scotty the marketing guy. What's your favorite bike on the floor?
Marketing dude.
Hey, Scotty the marketing dude. What's your favorite bike on the floor?
It is this beautiful 2024 Honda CRF450 RWE, the Works Edition. It's just super trick. It's right out of the box the way I would want it. It's already got the A-kit suspension. It's got this awesome red finish on the valve cover there. It's got a hand-ported head from Japan. Yoshimura exhaust. What's not to love? Makes all the horsepower, baby. That's it.
Thanks.